guys! Hello mga ka-teamwork! Ayan, meron na naman tayong natanggap na blessing. Galing sa aking co-workers na si Beverly. Ayan, si Beb. No? Co-workers ko po yan. So, mag-unboxing po ako sa binigay niya. Ayan, ito na. Okay? Tingnan natin guys. Okay, here you go. Wow, what is this? Soap Glory. Ayan, meron siyang soap. And then body wash. Wow, kailangan ko 'yan para mabango ako, syempre. At ang body scrub. Okay, para pantanggal ng ating libag. Ayan, scrub natin 'yan. At of course, yay! My first letter name na pouch. Ayan. Ito yung maganda yan. Pang makeup kit ko, guys. Ayan. Ito talagang favorite ko. Yay! Thank you very much, Beb. Ayan. Happy Merry Christmas to you and to your family. Ayan. From Regina's Teamwork USA. Bye! Thank you, guys!